Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and construction in Willo Historic Neighborhood, episode 14. We have a window install going on out here today that is just going great, and I wanted to show you guys around. Our homeowners decided to change out their windows here on this property, and so I want to show you around as these guys are installing windows and prepping doors for openings and all the things. So let me show you around. Here we are at the front of the home, and unfortunately this bay window started to crumble as they took out the old window. So now we're having our masons come over on short notice to rebuild this sill so that this space will hold up the new windows. We're going to be excited to have that be the occasion. This is one of the panels of the bay, so this will be the left or the right, I'm not exactly sure. Sitting here beside this bay window, but it's looking so good. All right, over here, this is a kitchen window. As you can see, we're gonna have black exteriors on these and a white colored interior. They've got a metal wrap piece for the corner here. As they built this lintel, they put a metal post in to hold up the corner, so that outside corner then is not brick, and that metal post holds it up. So there's a metal sheet to cover it and make the windows look seamless in that corner opening. That's going to be so fantastic. You can see that these guys are working hard over here on putting in this window here for the kitchen. It's just a clear fixed glass panel. Our hood is going to sit in front of that on the other side, but you can see that new sill in there looks really good, and these guys are doing a fantastic job with Pella out here. We'll walk here around the corner of the house. Ooh, that window opening is still open. You can see over here we've got one of our doors on the ground, and this gentleman is preparing that door to go in the opening for what's going to be the new music room. And so it's a nice wide open French door that we'll be able to get the piano in and out of for our homeowners. Here we are on this corner where they've built this bay, and they're putting all the parts and pieces in, shimming this up so that it'll sit in its opening. They are looking so good. So this is going to change the temperature of the interior of the home. These new windows, not being single pane but being a multi-pane glass, will help with heating and air conditioning, as well as the sound barrier inside the home. So it's just going to be such a nice consideration for this historic home here. Here on this patio space, we had to rebuild this area. It was falling apart before, and the roof was all rotted out, so from water damage. But we put this new panel in, and the nice part about it is that we purposefully put the door in the center so that we can have the view on both sides, but also so that this alcove over here can be a seating area for the homeowners. That gentleman there is holding those windows in so that the gentleman on the inside can secure them in place and make sure all of our trim pieces work. They're working so hard to get this accomplished just right in these brick openings. Not an easy job. I don't envy them at all, but they are doing a fantastic job, and we're super glad to have them as a trade partner here with Pella Mountain West. So I'll walk you through this space. We're going to go over here. This is going to be the music room. Oh, this window's open. That's our bathroom slider is going to be open there. Back here in this space, we've got Aaron, our project manager, with his superhero cape on, getting this opening just a little bit farther. They had some plaster that needed to be taken out to fit the new door in, so he was able to manage that this morning and get that taken care of, and now that door is going to go seamlessly into this space. Friends, this is going to look so good. Here we are in the master bedroom. You can see how this is all working itself out. So they've got the metal posts in the corner also that we're going to cover with trim from the inside and the outside, so that those corner windows don't have that exposed post in them. But you can see those previous windows, that post was just painted the same color as the wall on the inside of that window, and that's what was there. So as we walk around this space, we've still got covered windows here in the master closet. We've got openings here for windows in the water closet, as well as what's going into the master shower. Just looking so good in here, friends. Okay, for coffee and construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood. Thanks for being on this journey with us as we did a walkthrough on our window install today for coffee and construction in Willo Historic Neighborhood, episode 14. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.